Mistakes part 1. The biggest one, the lapel pop. The lapel pop happens for a variety of reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is because the suit jacket does not fit around your chest. So let's say you go into like an off the rack place, you want to get a 38 because the 38 fits you really nice, it's slim in the sleeves everywhere else, but you have a huge lapel pop. You have to go up to the 40 for the chest to sit you flush and for the stomach to also fit you as well, because if everything's too tight, you're just going to look like a sausage in the suit either way. So you want to make sure that you sized up, and everything else you can also take into a tailor. So let's say you do size up to like a 40 and the midsection fits you a little loose, that's fine. You can take it to a tailor and that can get fixed very quick. The sleeves as well, you can also taper those and you can also hem them. So that's not a problem. You want to make sure that this thing is not happening on your suit. Make sure you follow me for more suit mistakes, and also follow me for part 2.